To this series, Cut the Crap. This is the episode 2. All those who have not watched the first one can go and watch it. It's on the YouTube as well. Basically, this is a series where we'll be talking about SSB queries related to SSB and removing all the doubts and the crap that you have in your mind. Now, today we'll be discussing about having a backup plan when you're preparing for SSB. Not a very direct question related to SSB, but yes, the question plays a very important role in your life as an aspirant, as well as when the interviewing officer is asking, and the general attitude that you have when you're preparing for SSB. अभी तुमने देखा होगा बहुत सारे guys, when you start preparing for defense forces and also there are many you watch videos to get motivated. Lot of things are there, and one life, one aim, one goal, giving your best, don't think one track mind, ye wo XYZ, all lot of things you hear, and then you get motivated by all these things and start preparing for your बहुत सारे लोग मैंने देखे हैं, मेरे स्टूडेंट्स who leave their job, who have a placement in their hand, who are in final year of engineering or any other degree, and they have a placement, but because they are preparing for defense exams, preparing for SSB, they are not joining it. Now, first of all, you need to understand कि let it be any government, let it be the biggest militaries in the world, let it be a organization, let it be a kiryana wala banda who is having a small shop, every person needs to and has a backup plan. Okay, the world functions on backup plans because the world is not a perfect place. There are always things which are beyond your control that will keep on happening. SSB की अगर हम बात करें डिफेंस की, इट्स गुड टू बी मोटिवेटेड एंड एवरीथिंग विच इज़ फाइन, बट द प्रोसीजर इटसेल्फ इज़ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स वन. इट्स नॉट एक बात का सिर्फ यूपीएससी की तरह या फिर ना ओनली रिटर्न एग्जाम इज़ देयर एंड देन इफ़ यू आर डूइंग गुड, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. उसमें तुम्हारा अगर if you are good in studies, you are giving your exam and you will clear it, you are scoring good marks, so it will finally you will be able to join. But when it comes to defense, a lot of things are there. Screening है, चलो ठीक है, recommend हो गए, उसके बाद भी medical is there, which is a tough part. Sometimes many candidates don't get to it. तुमको खुद नहीं पता होता है कि you have this kind of problem, but it gets detected in the medical, and this is something which is beyond your control. Then comes the merit. आजकल मेरिट का भी बहुत सीन चल रहा है. सी तो ऑल दिस यूपीएससी एंट्रीज आर फाइन, उसमें दे आर नॉट फाइन. बेसिकली सीडीएस एंड ऑल में मेरिट का प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता. एनडीए में डेफिनेटली इट इज कमिंग. ट्रेनेबिलिटी फैक्टर एंड नंबर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशंस आर मोर इन एनडीए, ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो व्हेन यू आर working upon, when you are aiming to become a defense officer, so definitely the giving the complexity of the procedure and lot of things are not, some things they have the tendency of going out of your hand. It is always better to have a backup plan in terms of career. The problem with backup plan is when you having a backup plan, when it ना तुमको लगता है कि backup plan है and you are not giving your 100%, your attitude is of this sort that yes ठीक है I'll go for it, नहीं हुआ तो मेरे पास जॉब तो है ही. This thing should not happen, not only in SSB, any other preparation. So this is only the reason that your backup plan should not distract you from your main plan. Basically, no one gives a rat's ass about you if you don't have money. एक पर्टिकुलर उम्र के बाद अगर तुम नहीं कमाओगे, तुम्हारे घर वाले भी तुम्हें निकाल देंगे. सो बी वेरी क्लियर इन योर फंडास. यू नीड टू अर्न मनी. You need to, even if you are coming from a well-to-do family, you have to have a job. Some people they leave their jobs preparing for SSB. SSB में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो तुम्हें प्रिपेयर करने के लिए that you need to leave your jobs. ऐसा है ही नहीं प्रोसीजर. बेसिकली it is not required. So unnecessary, don't do all these things before taking this kind of decision. Yes, again you should have a backup plan. When you are exiting your job, there should be an entry point also, that in case you don't get it, how you will come back here again. Okay, so these are some of the things you need to keep in mind. And see, when you prepare for SSB, if you prepare with this attitude that yes I have to clear it, and you have a plan also in your mind, in case something goes wrong I can always fall back upon this option. जो बंदे SSB की तैयारी सीरियसली अच्छे से करते हैं, the procedure is designed in such a way that if you are really seriously preparing for it, you will develop a lot of qualities that will help you to crack other interviews very easily. Believe me, I worked in the corporate as well coming out of the forge, and I have realized that I have met people, youngsters like when I no, just people who are medically unfit, who have cleared SSB, and when we used to recruit them, so एकदम clearly it comes out clearly that yes, he is a defense aspirant. So the way he is talking, if he is the way he is behaving, वो एक आ जाता है ना, हाफ फौजी वाली बात आ जाती है, तो वो चीज़ हमेशा हेल्प करती है. Alright, so just have this attitude. Don't miss out on life preparing. Have a backup plan. Just focus. Having a backup plan will also remove all these negative things from your mind, whether you'll be, if you're not able to clear to kya hoga, and all these things. So yes, always have a backup plan. And motivation is good, but practicality is something which is very important. And because lieutenant, the day will come, and but if for some reason it does not come, life will always come, so you have to be ready for that. Alright, so this was just a small practical lesson I wanted to talk to you, and that's it. Change, keep preparing, all the best.